This button right here is brand new because I think someone hit it. Unlike those two over there, this one is brand new.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
This one actually has a different instruction sign. Someone put tape here.
Wait to cross.
The buttons are usually on this side, but this one is on the left because this is newer.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
You going that way?
Wait to cross. 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 Wait to cross.
Australian walk sign.
Wait.
Jesus, look at that.
Wait. Cross. Cross.
This one's been damaged. Unlike that one over there. Wow.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
This part's falling out. Oh, that is noisy. That's it.